Dear students, today we will solve one problem based on quadratic equation and progression concept. So the question is, if a comma b comma c are three distinct real numbers in geometric progression, and if a plus b plus c is equal to xb, then prove that x is less than or equal to minus 1 or x is greater than or equal to 3. This is the question. So to solve this question, first a, b, c are distinct real numbers, that is a is not equal to b is not equal to c and belongs to R, and a plus b plus c is equal to xb, and a, b, c are in geometric progression, therefore a only, you take b as ar where r is the common ratio of the geometric progression and c is equal to ar square. So these are the terms. So you put these terms in given relation, that is given equation, that is a plus b plus c is equal to xb. If you substitute in this one, then what happens? A only, b is equal to ar, c is equal to ar square is equal to x into b is equal to ar. So now here a into 1 plus r square is equal to a into xr. Here since a is not equal to 0, because in geometric progression first term never be 0. So a is not equal to 0, therefore you can cancel a both sides. Now you left with what? 1 plus r square is equal to xr. Now take out xr this side, then it becomes what? R square plus 1 minus x into r plus 1 is equals to 0. Now this is a quadratic in what? R, but r is a real number, common ratio, therefore r is a real number, therefore it is a quadratic in r is a real number, therefore discriminant is what? Greater than or equal to 0. So if you impose this condition, then what happens? Discriminant b square minus 4ac, that is 1 minus x square minus 4 into coefficient of r square is 1 into constant is also 1 is greater than or equal to 0. Now if you expand this one, then what you get? 1 plus x square minus 2x minus 4 is greater than or equal to 0. This implies x square minus 2x minus 3 is greater than or equal to 0. Now factorize it. If you factorize, then what you get? X square, this one is minus 3x plus x minus 3 is greater than or equal to 0. That implies x into x minus 3 plus x minus 3 is greater than or equal to 0. Now take out x minus 3 common, therefore this is x minus 3 into x plus 1 is greater than or equal to 0. So here greater than or equal to 0 is there, therefore x lie outside the roots. That implies x lies outside the roots, that is minus infinity, x belongs to minus infinity to minus 1 union 3 to infinity. So this is the solution. So what we need to show? X is less than or equal to minus 1 or x is greater than or equal to 3. Therefore x is less than or equal to minus 1 and x is greater than or equal to 3. So this is the solution.